Imagine studying engineering from anywhere in the world. We know full-time jobs, family commitments, or distance to campus can make traditional study a challenge. At EIT, our online learning offers you an education you can access anywhere, no matter where you live. Through live interactive tutorials, remote and virtual labs, dedicated learning support officers, industry experienced lecturers, and a global student community.
The main reason is work-life balance. It's giving me this flexibility. So I do shift works, morning and afternoon. Whenever I do afternoon, I study in the morning and vice versa. Going through the recorded lectures and going through the assignments, it's helped me a lot to organize myself and doing my family stuff. So that is the main opportunity I see from this online learning.
I found the delivery of the course to be really flexible. There's different options for the times of the lectures, and you can listen to the recordings, and that was really helpful. Our lecturer Terry did fit in an awful lot into the time sometimes. Our learning coordinator Sifisari was really helpful as well. This was really interesting. It was great having people from all over the world dialed into those lectures, because people were asking questions in the chat or sharing what happens in their organisation or their country as well.
So the lectures are good. You watch those before you do your tutorials, and the tutorial, it's like a lecture again to go over the same or similar subject matter. You have other students in the chat room with you, and you can talk to them and they can talk to you. It was really good. Early on we would set up student WhatsApp groups so that we could discuss questions or ask each other and help each other out along the way, which really fosters a sense of community and makes you feel like a student.
The best part for me is remote labs. Now I know how to use PCM, I know how to use CodeJuice, and so many more softwares that are there on remote labs. You know, as you do each module, different type of software that we'll be dealing with. So it's more like EIT is keeping me updated with the technological involvement.
So the ability to study online is actually really great. I think it's one of the best I've come across. Like I said, allowing myself to study while working full time, because these days with a lot of big companies, if you want to become a superintendent, they always ask for a tertiary education, and if you do have full-time work commitments, you don't have the ability to take time off work to, let's say, study in a classroom. So it's really good.
The other thing that makes us unique is our online capability means that we can get lecturers from all around the world that are specialists in an incredibly niche field, but that niche field may be incredibly valuable to a particular unit that you're studying at the time.
EIT Online, engineering education that fits your life, wherever you are, whenever you need. Explore our programs and start your engineering journey today.